Hello, Mac family. Welcome back to the channel. And it's your girl Tika. And my kids, they did a little prank on their auntie. So I hope you guys enjoy. And please give us a like, comment, and subscribe.
I got homework to do tonight. And we left the office late. We just left the
Matt,
office.
come
Because
inside.
we got something to go get a can opener. Think I might put Mandy's drink, 2 waters in the freezer. Okay.
Yours. Here, two.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was doing something else.
Who am I missing?
Who missing? Shabay. And Amir.
Here go one.
Shabay back. Amir took it back. Y'all didn't find Macadoodle?
My macadoodle
His
plate.
plate is right here. By honesty, Tika.
You don't get your plate, macadoodle. Sit by honesty and get your plate.
Amir, you ready? Are you done with Ace?
Mommy.
Come to the thing you come eat.
You got enough on this sippy cup?
You come eat.
You got it well? We'll give you a little cup.
She gonna eat
Okay.
that.
Hey, stop whining or you can't have nothing at all. Why you giving him my glass? He is 3. He is 3. He got paper cup. A paper cup. You want a paper cup?
Where's his sippy cup?
We ain't found it. Sit down, honesty.
And I'm trying
For being nosy.
and I'm trying to kill the sippy
Give him a
cup.
paper cup.
There ain't no plastic right
Okay, well, make him drink out the red cup. He's gonna have to learn to start drinking out the cup. Hey, sit down, stop whining. So you get a whipping. Who didn't get a plate?
Amir. He was outside.
I'm gonna give these 2 to him.
I'm gonna eat too. Your food nasty. Not to be rude or anything.
Nasty.
Mm-hmm.
You
Have a paper towel, please.
know what?
What you gonna do to that paper towel? Do it like this?
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Oh,
Well, you know what? No. Wait a minute. No. I'm pretty sure they serve worse food than school. Go upstairs and go to
School's still better than
Go upstairs and go to school.
she said go to the stairs.
Wow.
Sweet girl.
Wait a minute, before you let me drop the chicken. Hold on. Go upstairs to your room. No. I paid for the paper towel. You can't use my paper towel.
Yeah, now she paid for the paper towels. Now she went in the bathroom to get it. What's your problem?
Mom, can you cook tomorrow?
I done put a lot of salt on there.
Mama,
Is it salty?
Try it. It's just nasty.
Well, you want a piece of it, Jay?
I'd rather have a piece of jam. I'm just gonna eat this bread. Okay. Mama, can I get this bread is better though.
Okay, cool.
That's hot sauce.
What you think, baby?
I like the potatoes.
You don't like the potatoes?
No. Grandma, don't eat it. Hot sauce.
You told me not to get, and then you gotta have hot sauce.
You don't need no hot sauce.
What is
Well,
going
they can put whatever they want on it. But I just
Mama,
I
the
put a whole
hot
bunch
sauce
on
is
there
gonna
because
give you
kids don't
better
like a bunch of
taste.
stuff on chicken.
Hot chicken is the bomb. Yeah. You already killed the chicken. No.
Chicken, you better get your shot because she got 2.5 seconds before I jump across this counter and put her disrespectful ass to bed.
I want that.
Okay?
Okay.
And I tried to help you. Mama had to
Thank you
give
for
her
the
a baby.
food. I want it. I'd rather Mama cook.
I mean, you want the food?
I mean, you have weird taste buds. It's
The
nasty.
honesty is just too much.
No, it's nasty.
These
potatoes is too much.
Your mouth is too motherfucking much.
Uh-oh.
It's a prank!
Your ass went to bed hungry.
They pranked you, Kyra. Now you should whip all
Well,
of
y'all
it.
done got my blood pressure.
You should know they put honesty up to it because she the actress. So you should have been there. Yeah, you knew she was extra. See, they had to break my leg, Kyra.
What happened?
I didn't drink.
She said she did us right. Kyra, you got to break your ass in, man. Uh-oh. Man,
Open
uh-oh.
that damn door.
Manny. Uh-oh.
Manuel, whatever your name is, open that damn door.
They pranked the man.
I'm about to throw Honest's ass out the front door.
Pranked the